Hi everyone, today I'm testing this smoke detector. So let's open it and see how it works. So inside the box we have the smoke detector unit, the mounting bracket, wires, batteries, the instruction manual. So make sure to follow the instruction or ask a professional. So this is a 2-in-1 smoke and seal alarm with 10-year seal battery. It has a bilingual voice alert and is easy for installation. So it's a hassle-free protection for any home. Okay, I'm going to test it.